is the first time that we are competing in the World Paddle League. This is the first time it has come to India, and as we are seeing the growth in India, it's massive. I was reading about it, and just a very small stat for you all. We had 67 paddle courts to begin with, and now we are already at 137 all across India. And our aim is to do some sort of like tournaments all across India. I mean, that's the major plan, to get more Indian players into paddle, and especially trying to get them in the World Paddle League. So some sort of in like tournament on a corporate level, or like getting the amateurs involved, junior tournaments and all. So we're gonna do that to help grow paddle in India.
You mentioned we have 130 plus courts in India, paddle courts in
Correct.
India.
Yes.
What do you think our best of our Indian players, how would they rank with these world rankers? Are they
So
good in term, or there's a vast difference between their skill and
So
ability?
there is a big gap as of now, but we've started filling it in. A lot of known people have started, um, playing paddle and associating themselves. A lot of big brands are investing in paddle. We definitely have the talent. It's just that we need to have more tournaments in India, and a lot of companies have started taking that initiative. So more and more tournaments will get us players, and we will definitely be there very soon. I personally want to start play paddle because it's a very fast sport and it's an exciting sport, and we'll be there. We'll be competing with all the major players soon. So,
Mr. Gogi, have you ever played paddle before? You personally?
I I have never played paddle, but it's a very good combination of squash and tennis. Um, the format is really exciting. It's and especially doubles. You have a partner playing with you, so I just really love the concept. This is the first time I have seen paddle, and would love to play once I'm back in Delhi.
Since you are a marketing person, are you looking out to engage in some more celebrities to promote this game in India?
Absolutely. A lot of celebrities are in fact playing paddle. So we would love to see where we can, explore in terms of, getting any celebrity, or, um, try to create something for the paddle players out there. Try to engage. Try to do a tournament where even celebrities can participate and play with. Um, Youngsters who are out there looking to compete in paddle, and who really want to play paddle, and who are looking to play it professionally. So yeah.
In cricket, a lot of mental skill is also involved, like the atmosphere, the climate, the pitch, the ball, the turf, and all. So in paddle, what is it? Is it more physical only, or mental? Do we
I,
need mental?
I, yes, I think paddle is a really great combination of, you need to be fit, you need to be really fast, you need to have good reflexes, and you need to have a very good connect with your partner whom you're playing with. So I think all of this is, you need to be skillful, and you need to be mindful, and as I said, you need to be fit as well. It's a fast sport, so I mean endurance also comes into play. So it looks easy, but it's not easy at all. There's a lot of technicality to paddle as well. So yeah, it's not that easy.
For a lay person, could you just mention some brief technicalities? What is it? Lay
uh,
person, like what?
See, to begin with, I mean, it's played with a tennis ball, but it's not the tennis ball which we are used to.
Yeah.
The racket is different. Um, it's played on turf. There are glass walls around you. Um, so in terms of point system, it's almost like tennis, but there are few technicalities which, when you start playing it, you'll get to know about it. And in fact, I have, because you got me to that point, I have something to tell you guys, that we are also shooting a documentary on paddle, and our aim of shooting this documentary is so that we let the people know what paddle is, and so it'll be coming out soon on our YouTube channel. So you guys should watch it. You'll get to learn about paddle a lot, and what it takes to be a paddle player. Um, so yeah. do keep an eye out for that.
Mention YouTube channel. Would you name the channel, please?
It's our channel SGSC, SG Sports and Entertainment.
Fine.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the interview. Any other final points you would like to
No, just cheer for us. That's it. I hope we win the tournament.
All the best.